it's important for the Augustine Academy to have the option for high school, because even as we've been looking for Christian high schools, they're available. But the Augustine Academy has something to offer that the other Christian high schools don't.
Yeah, I'm excited to imagine the possibilities of the Augustine Academy as a high school to have these young people continue to be treated as image bearers of God, as people who have great things that God has in store for them to do. And that might include challenging things. It does at those ages. And yet we can do hard things together. We can work through those challenges together in a community where they can be treated as people that God cares about, people that God has put them around, the others that they're around as well. And so that's really exciting just to think of that kind of an atmosphere for those young people.